Let's dig. I'm excited. We might find treasure. Big Digger Toy, Excavator Toys lets us pretend that we're on a big construction site. It's great for backyard, beach or playground, for fun. Encourages us kids to get outside, play, and use their imaginations. Dig in sand, dirt, mulch, and snow for all-season play. Easy-to-handle operation. Can reach 3383 cm and dig up to 1538 cm deep when crane arm is fully extended. I love it. I'm thinking there is gold in here. So let's digging. You never know, it might have treasure. Thanks for watching. Check my other videos.